In this video, we will show you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. As you can see, the default Google Sheets setting for the text is look like this. If the text is too long, they will put on the another cell. Okay, you can see there. And if you need to wrap this text, it's very easy. You can just click Format menu here and select Wrapping and select Wraps because the default is Overflow. And this is the wrap text. And you can hidden the more text. If you want, you can just click Format and click Wrapping and select Clip. If text too long, it will be hidden. And you can adjust where is the best for you. It can wrap or it can clip like this. And that's all tutorial how to wrapping text in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.